Now example 2 tests us on our manipulation of complex numbers. In A, we see the difference of two complex numbers. And following what we just talked about, to take difference of two complex numbers, all we need to do is to group the real parts together, take their difference, and group the imaginary parts together and take their difference. And we will have minus 2 plus 4i. Done. For B, we want to multiply two complex numbers. And the rule that we will use will be the same as what we have done for real cases. Meaning, we will take 1 times 3 plus 1 times 4i. Then you will repeat it for the number minus 2i. And you will have 3 plus 4i minus 6i minus 8i squared. Now bearing in mind that your I squared is actually minus 1. So your answer will be 11 minus 2i. Now for C, we want to divide two complex numbers. And the trick is again to look at the denominator. Now the denominator is 1 plus 2i. So we will multiply top and bottom by the same number, but with a different sign in front of the imaginary part. Now what this will do is it will remove the I from the denominator. So you have 1 minus 2i plus 2i minus 4i squared. At the top we have 3 minus 6i minus I plus 2i squared. So the top part just becomes 3. What is 2i squared? 2i squared is the same as 2 times minus 1. So 3 minus 2 gives you 1. Then you have minus 6i minus I gives you minus 7i. Now for the denominator, you have 1, and again what is this number? This number is minus 4 minus 1, so it becomes 1 plus 4, gives you 5. And this imaginary part is removed. So in the end, our answer is just 1/5 minus 705i. Now if you can do C, then D is easy. For D, you are again dividing by two complex numbers. 2 divided by I. And again the trick is to multiply by the same as what you see below, but you put a different sign in front of the imaginary part. So you will get minus 2i divided by minus I squared. And this will give you minus 2i minus minus 1. And so you have minus 2i. Done.